Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce coverage gaps with Nationwide easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce coverage gaps with Nationwide, start by visiting their official website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the insurance section on the homepage. Review the different types of coverage options available for your needs. Select the type of insurance that you want to update or review. Click on Policy Details for the selected insurance type. Take note of your current coverage limits and deductibles. Identify any areas where you feel underinsured or where your needs may have changed. Use the Coverage Calculator tool available on the site for personalized recommendations. If you're unsure about specific coverage options, click on the Learn More links for detailed information. Consider reaching out to a Nationwide agent for expert advice tailored to your situation. You can find contact information or a live chat option in the help section. Discuss your coverage concerns with the agent and ask for suggestions. Review any recommended policy changes carefully. If you agree with the suggested adjustments, follow the prompts to update your policy. Confirm any changes made by reviewing your updated policy documents. Keep a copy of the revised policy for your records. Make a note to review your coverage annually or after any significant life changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.